Hello everybody, welcome to Cooking with Granny and in Mama Soul Kitchen. Yes, today we are going to go over my beautiful spice cake, everybody. Okay, ladies, listen right here. You see this cake right here? This is what I usually make around the normal holidays and everything that we do around this time of year. Now, if you want to keep your man, ladies, I want you to listen up. Okay, so this is what we're going to do. This is my special cake. I add like nutmeg, I add cinnamon, I add walnuts, and all the good old ingredients. And we're going to share the recipe coming up later. But what this cake do is make you fall in love, everybody. It sure does, Grandmother. I cook this cake, and my husband actually loves it. Yes, girl, and he loves your cooking because your granny taught you what you know in the kitchen. That's right. So now we're going to go over this. Now, we're going to make sure the pan is very nicely battered, and we're going to go ahead and look at that. When it's all done, it just pops up like this, everybody. Look at that puppy love right there. There ain't nothing but love goodness over there in Granny's kitchen right there. Look at that. Just go around that side over there. Yes, it's very nice. Look at that. This is mouth-watering. And exactly. And it melts in your mouth and not in your hands, everybody. Now, we're going to go ahead and we're going to smell it. Oh, it smells so delicious. It's like a lot of cinnamon and the cooking of the butter. And exactly. This make you want to go down somewhere down south and slap somebody. All right. Now, this is what I'm going to tell you. Ladies, you're going to pay attention. Next time, we're going to share this recipe right here. It's going to be mouth-watering. It's going to make you want to just foam at the mouth and make you keep your man in the house, ladies. That's the problem today. Keeping your man in the house is so important. That's right. And I'm going to tell you how to keep a man. And men, you're going to learn how to keep your woman. Now, y'all stay tuned, everybody. So make sure you guys, if you guys like my granddaughter's cooking, make sure you hit that like, share, and subscribe button below. And we'll be back soon.